Two white cups and I got that drink. It could be purple, could be pink. Painted honey, reach that age. Money that we got.
About the end of it, and today I'm sorry about not vlogging on Big Bear. I was really busy and I couldn't vlog, so I'm really sorry about that. But here is some clips and some videos and some photos when I was at Big Bear. Since you guys saw that, it was good. It was really fun. So yeah, so today I'm gonna show you guys the Christmas presents that I got from my dad's side of the family, because my mom's side of the family they didn't give me anything. So here's a lot of stuff. That's Roy's money, and this is my money. So yeah, so here's my money. Let's open the red envelope. So first we have $20 in the red envelope. Says my name. Chị Long với chị nhỏ đưa. So yeah. Ask Daddy. So that's my $20 in here. The next one is my Vietnamese name. Open it. We have another $20, so we have $40 right now. Okay, and the last one is $30. So we all have $70. So I have $70. I don't think Roy has $70, but I know he has money. Let's see how much he got. He got 30. Yeah, he got the same thing as me. So yeah, and I also got more money. So the first thing we're gonna check is in this bag. Ooh, we got 2 of these. Oh, these are cute, huh? I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and we're doing these little tiny bags. So this was from my cousin and her what's it called, her future husband. So it was from Auntie Ella and Uncle Rocco. So let's see what we have in here. Myself doing YouTube. That's my money. No. The open. Stars for me. Not for you. Wrapping paper. So, ooh. Envelope. Merry Christmas. Uncle Rocco. And Auntie Ella. So, I don't know what's in here. So cute. Okay. So, socks. I needed socks. Socks. I got socks. No. Here, man. I got socks. Socks. Hey, no, I open it. So let's see what's in here. It's money. Chị Trang á, Uncle Rocco. $20. $20. No, so I have $90 now. There. $90. So what is in the next bag? This is done. So this one, I already know what's in here because I already seen it. But this one, I had $50 but cũng mua Starbucks. So I have $44 now. Hả? Starbucks? Cái này hả? Chị Trang có Uncle Tom. Chị Thi á, Uncle Tom. So $44 now, so 94. $134 now. And what do we have in here? Socks! Yay.
Mong bạn
More
đi con, Mong đi học, đi học. Tắm.
So, thank you for these.
Cái này.
These are cute. No, I open. Not for
Cái nào
you.
vậy?
For me.
Cái này cho.
So, the next one is this humongous thing. Need your phone, huh?
Ai mua vậy?
I don't know. Dude, I don't know what this is.
Anh Tông hả?
I don't know. Maybe. It's for me? I don't know, man. I don't know if it's for me, but I think it's mine. A new backpack.
Còn cái này.
Wait. I got a new backpack.
Này.
Thank you. It's from that.
Để cái này bỏ dùng bên hả?
Yeah, mine, not for you.
Đấy là mình để nó con để chọc ngoài còn bỏ một bên vô.
No.
Không bỏ đâu.
Hit in
Cái
there.
nào con nó đi hay là mang là gì tỷ lấy gì cũng mua.
Gift card.
Ok thôi.
If Bahama got you, if Bahama got extra money. I guess I get a new backpack and that's all that is in here. Next one is this humongous
Cái này đâu nhiều quá.
thing. I don't know. I guess for me because Roy has a bunch of toys.
Này.
So yeah.
Để tiền đó đó.
So they said that I was getting older and I don't need toys. I get money. So what is in here is this
Con bỏ vô hả mày bỏ?
thing. Medeo. There's like stuff in it. I don't know what's in here. Should we open it? It's hard to open. How do you open
Bữa chi
it?
con hậu cần bữa.
Oh, there's a candy dispenser for me. Okay, so the next one that's in here, so thank you for this. I love it. Is this? Ooh, it's hot tamales. The red ones. Thank you for this. They look really good. But really spicy. So the next one is this. Why do I have trolls? I do not need this. I'm not little kid anymore. I'm in 7th
Bỏ
grade.
qua ấm vậy rồi hả?
But yes, it's Happy Vibes. The Troll. I watched The Troll. It's a really good movie, but I just don't like this little girl. But she's still cute. Thank you for this. I'm not a little girl anymore. Okay. So the next thing we have in here is, what is this? Double chocolate chip cookie. That's in here. Oh my god. I want one of these so much. And I got it. Because my parents didn't want to give it. There's a lot of stuff in here. Double bubble gumballs. Oh, I got gumballs! I never seen these before. It looks really new. But they look like milk cartons. But they're double gumbo balls. Oh my god. So yeah, they are 3.5 grams, which sounds really good. Next thing we have meh for me. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It says 5-piece bath and body set blueberry. I wanted one of these so much, but my parents couldn't get it for me. So I'm gonna open it myself. If I even can open this. Oh my god, I've been one of these for so long. It smells like blueberry. this straw. I got bath bombs! Roy! And you could drink in here. But I got bath bombs. Blue and pink bath bombs. I wanted bath bombs for so long. I couldn't get any. But here's the blue bath bomb and a purple bath bomb. I wanted these for so long. I couldn't get bath bombs because my parents wouldn't let me. But here's another one. It's called Blueberry. I use Activity for this. Blueberry body wash. Oh, sorry. It's really blurry. Oh, whatever. But it's called Blueberry Body Wash. Oh, it smells like blueberry. It's so good. And Blueberry Body Lotion. I want to get these for so long. Oh, look, there's glitter. See? Okay, so we're gonna put these back in here. Thank you for that. I need to give you guys like a round of applause for that. I wanted these for so long. But the straw's like bent a little, which is fine. Cause, you know, your girl needs some. Yeah. So, thank you for this. This present is so good. It's better than my my mom's side of the family's present because they didn't give me anything. I didn't get anything but Roy. Got something. But oh my god, guys. They gave me a chocolate sundae bar. I don't see it, but oh my god, these are so good. I tasted this and it's like, whoo, heaven. But yeah, these are really good. They're like chocolate with like, it's like a sundae-y ice creamy texture, I guess. But yeah, thank you for that, and I'll eat that soon. What is this? It's a lip balm. I don't use lip balms, but it's pineapple. But I still like it. I'll try to use it. And they have a 2 from, they didn't put my name, but it's fine. Pineapple flavored lip balm. Thank you for that. Even though I might not use it, still thank you. Now look, I got a lip balm. So, the next thing we have. Okay. The last stuff is Trident orange gum. And ring pop. That's all that's in here. So we're gonna try to put it all back in because, yeah, I don't think we can all try to put it back in here, but we'll try. It's like, so there. So I'm putting everything back in here because, oh, it's good. And then I think this was next. I'm trying to make it look neat again. What? What? You do it, it's not mine. Wait, double chocolate. And I don't think I can put this all back in. You call. You never let me get anything I want, man. You call. So, oh my god. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and sorry about that. I was yelling at somebody. So they were disrupting my video. So I don't know how to put this back in. And all the other stuff. Like, it's really hard because I don't know how they did it. So I'm just, what's it called, improving. It's really hard. Put this in. I think that's how they did it. I don't know. This smells like pineapple. Ooh, really good. And then they had double. How did they put this in? I'm gonna put all the skinny ones in first. And then was this. Okay, put that in. And this. Then this wasn't how it looked, but like I said, we're improving here. Aha, I did it. Thumbnail. Just kidding. So here we have all the stuff packed. So yeah. So hope you guys like give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, even though this video is a short video, but yeah. So here it is, thumbs up. So bye.
Like you run around with guys like me till sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want when I